In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gather bulk images using Genspark AI Desktop. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. This is the quickest way to find the platform if you do not already have it bookmarked. In the search results, look for the official Genspark site labeled as an all-in-one AI workspace and click that result to open the homepage. Taking a moment to confirm you are on the official site helps avoid confusion and make sure you are using the correct tool. Once you're on the Genspark homepage, look for the option called New Super Agent and click it. This opens the workspace where you can give Genspark a task and have it generate results for you. If you're new to the platform, think of the Super Agent as the area where you describe exactly what you want, so the more clearly you phrase your request, the better your output is likely to be. In the prompt box, type a bulk image request that includes three important details: the quantity of images you want, the subject of the images, and the source you want those images gathered from. For example, your request should clearly state how many images you need, what the images should be about, and where Genspark should look. Being specific here is important because it helps the tool return more relevant results and saves time on revisions later. After reviewing your request, click Submit to generate. Genspark will begin processing the prompt and gathering the images based on the details you provided. Depending on the size of your request, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to complete. That's the full process for gathering bulk images using Genspark AI Desktop. Keep your prompts clear, specific, and organized, and you'll usually get much better results with less trial and error.